Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong daily gabay for February 9, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And of course, please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let's see. Earth signs. Message for today. For Earth signs. Romance. Uy, mukhang maganda ang inyong ang inyong Valentine's Day. You also have wisdom and courage. Wow. So for your romantic connection, maaring you are really focusing on pag-grow ng relationship ninyo. You have learned a lot from your past relationship. Kaya ngayon, inaalagaan mo yung kung ano man yung connection mo ngayon with someone na special sa'yo. Okay? Maaring yung mga naging mistakes mo in the past, marami ka na natutunan doon. So ngayon, iniiwasan mo na yan na mangyari ulit sa relationship mo. And also, marami ka ngayong mga pinaglalaban, no? Pinaglalaban mo yung relationship mo, yung career mo, yung mga gusto mo pang ma-achieve sa buhay. So, malakas ang loob mo ngayon. Lalo na tinadagdagan mo yung kaalaman mo, and maari ring merong tumutulong rin sa'yo, nagbibigay ng payo para sa mga projects na gagawin mo or mga decisions na gagawin mo. Someone is also there to help you decide kung meron kang decision making. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the High Priestess. So, ayan, speaking of knowledge. So, ito yung tipong tahimik lang pero marami siyang alam. So, yung iba sa inyo, Earth signs, tahimik lang kayo pero marami kayong alam. You may be working in silence. Yung tipong hindi nyo na kailangan i-post sa social media yung mga nangyayari sa buhay nyo kasi yung iba sa inyo masaya na or gusto nyo chill na lang yung life, no? You also have the Queen of Wands. You're also becoming more creative, no? So you also have the King of Cups. I feel like there's a sense of balance, no, sa inyong buhay ngayon kasi may freedom, nagagawa nyo yung mga bagay na gusto nyo, and at the same time the person na ka-deal nyo rin is someone na very supportive sa gusto ninyo. Okay? And I also see some romantic connections dito ng very mature, no? Ibig sabihin nito seryosong relationship, mas nagkakaintindihan, less toxic, no? Oo. So, tingnan natin yung inyong money, career, finances. You have the Magician. So, you are very productive, no, sa career mo. Maari ring meron kang minamaster na kakayanan, skill set, no, na mas magpapaunlad ng iyong career. So, syempre, mas unlad ang iyong kabuhayan pag ganon. You are stepping into your own power. This is the energy of Gemini. And also, meron ding ritong water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, you have the Four of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo secure na kayo sa trabaho, sa career na meron kayo ngayon. There's a lot of growth. Maraming potential pa na mas umunlad itong career ninyo, itong kabuhayan ninyo. Lalo na kung pinapaunlad mo rin yung kaalaman mo, no, yung skill set mo na everyday there is sabi nga ano ba yun? Tuwing everyday daw, dapat meron ka natututunan. Na kahit meron kang dapat natututunan para magpaunlad sa iyong sarili, no? Learn a task, a skill that will help you achieve your goals. So I see some of you na reaching that goal. Yung iba, very inspired kayo na makapagpatayo ng bahay or makabili ng bahay or meron kayong magawa for your home life, family life. Some of you may plans of working abroad, migrating abroad, maaring merong opportunity na dumarating sa inyo, kaya pinagbubuti nyo ngayon. Ito yung halimbawa, gusto mong magpunta sa Australia or sa UK, Canada, pero wala kang skill set, no, na kailangan nila doon para magtrabaho. So, ang gagawin ng iba sa inyo, pag-aaralan nyo muna yung skill set na yon, at kapag meron na kayong sapat na kaalaman at experience, saka na kayo gagawa ng paraan to get there. Kasi mas mas realistic, mas practical, mas logical. Okay? Let's see, ano pa? The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, ayun nga, meron kayong explore na knowledge, no? Magical. Your dream life is manifesting magically. Ayan, earth signs. You have enough resources to bring your desires into reality. Kumbaga, nasa sayo ng mga kamay yan with the magician card. Magician na naman to, oh. So, your income is increasing rapidly. Talagang if you will work on it, no, gagawin mo yung kailangan mong gawin, yung best mo to make things happen, it will definitely happen. So, sa love life naman, you have the 5 of Pentacles, the 5 of Swords, ano to, Earth signs, and the World card. Okay. So, some of you, hindi ganun ka stable yung relationship na meron kayo ngayon. Maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng problema sa finances, or merong somehow cheating, merong conflict pagdating sa pera, may mga trust issues, pwedeng ang isa sa inyo sa relationship ay hindi siya ganun kaayos mag-handle ng finances. So, maaring iba sa inyo, isa yan sa nagiging issue sa relationship. And I also see someone na walking away from a relationship na talagang parang toxic na lang, no, na walang growth. Oo, na minsan kasi mararamdaman mo yan if yung person mo is merong plano, no, para sa inyo. So, kung wala, yung iba, alis kayo dyan kasi kayong maghahanap na ng sarili nyong destiny, ng sarili nyong success with the World card. So, definitely meron talaga ritong abroad. Oh my God. Nakakaloka. Game over, ending. This is the end of it all. Meron pa rito magsusorry kasi na-realize na yung mga pagkukulang niya. Pero sa iba sa inyo, too late na, no? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, tinuldukan na tong relationship na to. Kasi the World card is also about ending a cycle in your life. So kung sa tingin mo itong cycle na to is paulit-ulit na lang, issue, problema, toxic, may cheating, merong betrayal. So, you will have to end this relationship. Na-realize mo na, okay, ayoko na, tama na, sobra na, palitan na. Okay? Kahit na mag-sorry pa to kasi minsan, late na pag nare-realize ng iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Earth signs. Thank you so much and bye!